Hello YouTube, Joe from Joe's Shop. I thought we would have some fun today. In front of us we have a can crusher. Now, not everybody likes crushing cans, but I would bet that if you had this at home it would be a little more fun. Let's have a look. Even the dog liked it. We got supervision from the dog. That's what you have left. Let's try another one. That's in almost slow motion. Now it's not a lot of pressure. I think we only have 750 pounds being forced on it at 150 psi, I believe. But still, it can flatten a can pretty good. And if you throw the power at it 2-3 times, it'll really smash it good. But let's have a look at what makes it work. Here we have an 18-inch bimba valve, which is nothing but a pneumatic valve, 3 inches in diameter by 18. And I've put this inside a track so that the piston itself is forced down this track. And I have this cut the same way. Then I just silicone the inside of here and it makes its merry way down very well. At the very end, we have, let me close this up here if I may. At the very end, we have a cutout. So anything shoved down the path, if you will, instantly gets dropped out into the box through my little chute that you see with the little white line on the side of. Now, it's all made out of half-inch plate. The top rails and these guides down below are only 1/4 inch. But it really makes for a nice can crusher. I never bothered to paint it. I never bothered to really finish it. I don't know why. I guess because it worked good and I decided to heck with it. I don't know. Down here we have the simplest of operation. Push this or twist this lever while it's closed off, and the ram travels. Open that up. Well, it needs a little bit of speed to bring itself back. But I didn't put pressure on the backstroke. I just simply have these coil springs that wind up and bring it back. Do they bring it back all the way? Nah, they really don't. Sometimes they hang up a little bit, but it's okay. It works really nice. And it smashes cans. That's the important part. Plus I get to drive bearings in and out, stuff like that, run T-nuts in, perfectly square. So it has some other purposes. What do you think of that? Let me know what you think. I'll talk to you guys. Take care.